Is grad school worth it? For many, it's the question that defines their next step.
With advanced expertise, I'm making a difference every day.
Graduate school gave me the tools and connections to inspire others.
It provided me the security and opportunities I needed to follow my calling.
Grad school isn't just a milestone. It's a gateway to earnings, expertise, and endless opportunity. It's about gaining the knowledge today to make an impact tomorrow. So the question remains, is it worth it?
It's worth it.
It's worth it.
It's worth it.
It's worth it.
William Carey University. It's worth it.